Hi, and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about audiences and rapport. You know, it's critical to develop rapport with your audience. We all know that. And there's two factors that we need to keep in mind, or two keys we need to keep in mind when trying to develop rapport with our audience. One is understanding our audience, and the second is being able to communicate with that audience. Now, how do we do this? How do we prepare for this sort of event? Well, the first thing that we need to do is we need to do some research about our audience. And we do this through doing a demographic study, basically the ages, the genders, the educational backgrounds, what profession they're in, their cultural aspects, religious aspects, geographical aspects, so forth and so on. And on the other hand, we're going to look at what problems do these people have, what solutions are they looking for, and how we, as a speaker, can help solve their problems, remove their pain, and give them a better life. All right, so that's the first thing that we want to have a look at. Now, the other thing I hear people talk about commonly is they say, you know, when I'm going to speak in public, I go through a lot of stress and I feel a lot of tension and so forth. Well, this, I found the best way to get by it is, you know, you just imagine everybody naked in the group. No, that's a joke. In fact, I found that never works for me. Imagining the audience as naked and then imagining maybe the most attractive member of the audience is naked is definitely going to distract me from the presentation. And I'm not going to be as dynamic, passionate, or focused on what I need to be focused on, which is helping my audience solve their problem. So anyway, I hope that information is something that is good for you and helps you to clarify. The third thing I do to relieve tension and stress and so forth is I don't focus about the presentation, what's in it for me. I focus on how can I help others. See, if you're focusing on, I want to give a good presentation because I want to look good, I want to get the promotion, I want this, I want that, I want the other thing, you're putting a tremendous amount of stress and tension on yourself internally. But if you focus on, I'm here to help these people, I'm here to offer a solution to these people, I'm here to improve the quality of life of these people, then that removes a tremendous amount of tension that you may experience internally. The fourth thing that you may want to look at is, how do you prepare the presentation itself? Well, typically what I do is actually write out the entire presentation in writing, and then I read through it multiple times, 10, 15, 20, maybe even more, depending who I'm presenting to, how familiar I am with the material, and so forth, and how comfortable I am with the material. Once I've read through it all these times, then I create an outline. And with this outline, I can go through and it just kind of keeps me organized, so I keep on point what I need to talk to with the people. But I know the material so well from the previous practice that I don't need the actual entire text. Now, this helps keep the presentation spontaneous, lively, and not like you're just reading some text to the people. And also, you always want to improvise a little bit based on what the needs of the audience is. And you'll see the audience reacting one way or another to things you say, so you need to be able to adapt in real time while you're giving that presentation. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been useful for you. I know it's helped me, this information, quite a bit. Please leave your comments in the box below about your public speaking experiences. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe. And again, thanks for watching and have a fantastic day. Thanks again. Love to see you again. Bye.